So I have some very exciting news to tell you about my technical English courses. How would you like to have my technical English courses for free? That's right, absolutely nothing, free. Well, keep watching and find out how we're going to make this happen. Firstly, why would you take a technical English vocabulary course? Well, we have a major problem, and that is the language barrier in the technical field. Many beginners in the technical fields struggle with understanding industry-specific terminology, the phrases, the vocabulary, the words, and effective communication. This language barrier can make it hard to understand manuals or technical documents or following instructions. It's also hard to collaborate with colleagues or clients in an English-speaking environment. It's difficult to gain confidence when applying for jobs or engaging in training programs. So, what's the solution to these problems? Well, technical English courses, of course. So, technical English courses. The courses are designed to help learners overcome the challenges we just mentioned by teaching you the essential vocabulary, the phrases and communication skills needed for technical work. So whether you're new to the field or want to build a strong foundation, these courses will help you to understand and use technical terms with confidence, communicate effectively in real-world technical context, and help you take the first steps towards career growth in an increasingly English-dominated global market. Why does this matter? Well, English is the global language of technology, and being able to use it confidently opens doors to more opportunities, possibly better jobs, and smoother collaboration when working in international teams. Don't let language hold you back from reaching your potential. Now, the news that you're waiting for: how to get your free courses. Well, I'm moving all my videos and courses onto my own site, which is courses.interspeech.de. And while I'm moving everything around, because it's going to take me some time, I'm offering everything that I put on that site for free. So there are already courses on there, and you can sign up for free and get your courses for free. The only thing that I ask in return is that you leave a review. And of course, you can always contact me and request a short mini course or a short video on some aspect of technical work you'd like me to help you with. Anyway, that's the news. Make a start now. Go to the address above my head, remember why it matters, and sign up and get your free courses at courses.interspeech.de. Happy learning.